Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Polygon price prediction and Polygon news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Polygon in 2022. Polygon, formerly MATIC network, is the first well-structured and easy-to-use Ethereum scaling and infrastructure development platform. Its core component is the Polygon SDK, a flexible modular framework that supports the creation of multiple types of applications. Using Polygon, you can create optimistic rollup chains, ZK rollup chains, standalone chains, or any other framework that developers may need. Polygon effectively turns Ethereum into a complete multi-chain system, i.e., the Internet of Blockchains. This multi-chain system is similar to Polkadot, Cosmos, Avalanche, and others, but with all the benefits of Ethereum: security, vibrant ecosystem, and openness. Polygon, formerly MATIC network, is a Layer 2 scaling solution backed by Binance and Coinbase. The project aims to stimulate the mass adoption of cryptocurrencies by solving scalability issues on many blockchains. Today we will tell you important news about the Polygon cryptocurrency, why Polygon is seeing interest from govs and brand NFTs, but not investors. The second major development is the issuance of 65,000 caste certificates in the state of Maharashtra in India. The use of Polygon to do so made this event the first instance of combining the benefits of blockchain with e-governance. Thus Polygon is making its value apparent using real-world applications of the network, which is essential in building its network of investors who have been kind of dwindling over the last few weeks. At the beginning of this month, Polygon witnessed the exit of 5,000 investors in 24 hours. Granted, the figure isn't huge enough to be a big deal, it was the slow recovery that was concerning. Despite observing a rally in the latter half of March, it took the network over 2 weeks to recover the lost investors. Indian Maharashtra state pivots to Polygon for digital caste certificates. The government of Maharashtra, one of the most industrialized states in India, has issued 65,000 digital caste certificates based on the Polygon blockchain technology. I am excited to announce that the government of Maharashtra, Gadchiroli district, has set a new global precedent for WEB3 adoption for on-chain e-governance, wrote Shubham Gupta, an assistant collector and project officer in the government of Maharashtra, in a LinkedIn post, adding, "For the first time in India, Gadchiroli district, Attapalli subdivision, will issue caste certificates to its citizens that are anchored on an open permissionless blockchain verifiable within a matter of a few seconds." MATIC's revisit of $2 will follow these developments. MATIC's price might need a breather. MATIC's price action from 13 December 2021 to 16 March 2022 set up 4 lower highs and 3 lower lows. Connecting these swing points using 2 trend lines reveals a falling wedge in formation. This technical pattern favors the bulls, and the breakout is often explosive since the price gets squeezed during the formation. The target for this pattern is obtained by adding the distance between the first swing and swing low to the breakout point at $1.42. On 16 March, MATIC's price squeeze ended as it broke out of the falling wedge, forecasting a 36% ascent to $1.95. Making this breakout interesting and adding a tailwind is the daily demand zone, extending from $1.15 to $1.36. Since the breakout, the crypto has rallied by 28% and at press time, was hovering above the $1.64 support level. Going forward, MATIC's price could undergo a minor retracement that retests the $1.64 barrier before embarking on its uptrend. The bulls are likely to retest the target at $1.95, but in some cases, the rally might extend to the $2 psychological level. Such a move would push the total gains from 36% to 48%. The local top formed here will be a high conviction swing point and will lead to consolidation or a pullback to the immediate support levels. Who let the whales out? Supporting the bullishness derived from the falling wedge pattern for MATIC's price is the recent uptick in the number of large transactions. This on-chain metric, sometimes termed whale transaction count, is an index that tracks the number of transfers worth $100,000 or more. A sudden spike in this metric suggests that whales, or high net worth investors, are interested in the price of the underlying asset. If this uptick occurs after a massive rally, it often refers to these holders selling their holdings. However, a spike 4 cents. However, this was not enough to flip the bias to the bullish. Each subsequent revisit of the $1.5 area since then has seen a lower high formed for MATIC. In particular, the lower highs at $1.54 and $1.7 are the most important levels for the bulls to beat from a market structure perspective. If MATIC can push past these levels, not even a session close, but just a candlewick, it would lend credence to the idea that bulls had some say in the market. At the same time, the $1.4 level has not had the daily close below it in a couple of weeks now. On the downside, $1.3 offered a potential demand zone. The RSI formed an exaggerated bullish divergence with the price in the past few days. The price formed equal highs, while the RSI climbed higher. However, this might only be indicative of a minor move upward. The OBV has been steadily climbing lower down the charts in recent months, a testament to the selling pressure. The weak bounces from $1.4 recently have meant that the DMI did not show a strong trend yet behind MATIC. So next news. Polygon, MATIC, suffers network outage sparking a wave of angry users. Heimdall layer validates the blocks produced by the board chain, creates a Merkle tree of the block hashes, then publishes the Merkle root to the main chain. Merkle trees are data structure to encode blockchain data efficiently and securely. They are helpful because they offer data compression allowing individual transaction verification without processing the entire blockchain. Based on the information from devs, it seems as though a fault at the peppermint process level meant validators could not agree on the state of the network, thus halting block production. Today we will discuss the Polygon price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. MATIC price prediction 2022. There are signs that the cryptocurrency market is entering a new era. We are sure that the long-term price forecast for MATIC will rise as there is still optimism that the currency will attract much more attention. The year 2022 could end with an average bid of $1.80 and a minimum bid of $1.75. The maximum bid is expected to be around $2.09. MATIC price forecast 2023. For a long-term forecast of the Polygon price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average price of MATIC will rise to around $2.64 by 2023 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of $2.98 with a minimum price $2.55 level. Polygon price prediction 2024. Volatility drives the cryptocurrency market. Today it is not easy to predict and keep up with current prices. This is where many cryptanalysts come into play. Price projections are correct for the years indicated. Cryptocurrency consumers remain concerned about cryptocurrency bans and new restrictions. Polygon could cross $4.41 if the market sees a nice bull run in 2024. Given that it is expected to be owned by long-term investors, its average price for 2024 will be around $3.72. MATIC price prediction 2025. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this forecasting platform, Polygon will remain at the current level for a very long time. By 2025, MATIC is expected to peak at $6.17. The minimum bet could go up to $5.10 if the market turns bullish. MATIC rate prediction 2026. MATIC will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Polygon rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2026, the Polygon rate will be almost $7.28. The maximum bet we can get is $8.97. Polygon average price forecast for the end of 2026 could be around $7.49. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market.